Welcome to the US election special. Today we will talk about illegal immigration. Apart from the economy and inflation, immigration remains a key topic. As always, data, not feelings. Let's have a closer look at the actual evidence. All data is available online. The main source is Homeland Security Statistics. The Excel file is on my GitHub. The link is also down below in the description. In particular, we want to explore two important statements. Number one, illegal immigration in the US is completely out of control. Number two, Trump's deportation plan will be a complete disaster in terms of human and economic costs. Of course, the plan is not yet very precise, but based on a BBC report, he seems to start with 1 million deportations. Now, when we go through all these media reports, of course, you get the impression that immigration is an important issue. You certainly get the impression that illegal immigration is completely out of control. And of course, to be clear, there are issues when it comes to border security. You consider the plan for deportations proposed by Trump. The response in mainstream media is quite obvious that it would be a complete economic disaster, very significant costs, and deporting 1 million people or more per year is completely impossible. Honestly, it took me less than 30 minutes to collect the data. There is extensive data also on deportations, or let's call them repatriations, because that's the official term. Going back to our questions. Number one, is illegal immigration out of control? Well, looking at this line chart, the answer is no. It's actually pretty much stable. So the estimate is around 11 million, and frankly it hasn't changed a lot since 2005. So it's pretty stable. Also in this period the whole population is increasing, so in relative terms illegal immigration is not getting any worse. Number two, deportations or repatriations already exceed 1 million every year for quite a few years. The main reason for that is the Title 42. So this is a COVID-19 related regulation that made it quite easy to remove illegal immigrants. But even before this period, it's quite normal to see values around 500,000 to 600,000 in each and every year. So arguably, deporting 1 million people is entirely possible to do. Once you secure the border, you can, in theory, reduce the number of illegal immigrants. We don't see a massive increase in illegal immigration. Certainly there is a border security issue. One can't deny this. However, when you look at repatriations, they actually picked up quite substantially in this period. Better to look at the data and look at the actual evidence. So let's see what happens in the US elections. I wish everyone all the best. May the force be with us.